Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you are looking for an introductory course to learn about artificial intelligence and what it can do or cannot do, then AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng is the best one to join. The course is informative and interesting, and it will teach you AI basics without boring you with complex details. The presentation is both interesting and engaging, which helps you to learning easier. If you are in a rush, and highly recommend you to join this course, and if you have time then stay on and we will review this course in detail and learn more about artificial intelligence and Coursera courses. But before diving in, to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates regarding new videos. So let's begin with our topic. In this course, firstly I will tell you about the instructor, that who is the instructor and what his profile. Second thing is the course content, structure and syllabus, that what it covers. And the third thing is the people's review about this course. Andrew Ng is the instructor of this course, which is the co-founder and the minds behind the Coursera's platform. I have known about the Andrew Ng when I have joined his free machine learning course, which is to date and the most popular course on the machine learning on the Coursera platform, with more than 4.3 million students enrolled, and get impressed with his knowledge and his teaching experience. So that's all about the instructor profile. The second thing that we will discuss is the course content. Enough talking about the instructor of the course, let's focus on more about the content of the course, that is AI for Everyone. We will focus that what are the structure of this course and what are the topics that are covered in this course. Firstly, we come to know that what is an AI. The first thing that needs to remember is that this course is for everyone. This course is not the practical one, this is a theoretical course. So you will introduce the machine learning field and how the computers can learn the data from without being programmed. You will also understand about what is the data needed for the algorithms to learn from it. In this course, you will learn the meaning behind the common AI terminology, including neural networks like machine learning, deep learning, and data science. You will get to know that what is realistically can and cannot do. The second thing that you will learn how to building an AI project. In this course, there are total 8 videos. After learning the principles of an AI and machine learning, you will move to the workflow phases of how someone can build AI projects like data collections and pre-processing, model training, model evaluations, and much more. The third course is how to building an AI in your company. In this course, there are total 10 videos. The course is teaching you how the company can build AI projects and implement in their system. So you will learn some rules in AI team, or in other words, what are the positions needed for an AI team, like an data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, statisticians, and maybe a more, in which you will also learn the survey of major AI applications areas, AI transformation, and much more. The fourth course is about AI and society. This course will include total 8 videos. In this course, you will get to know that artificial intelligence can significantly improve the work environment and may be going to dangerous places that human can't go. This section will give you a realistic view of an AI, the adversarial attack of an AI, some uses of T3. That's all about that particular course. The third thing that we are talking about is the people's review, that what are the people thinking about of this course. This is the most important parameters for me when I reviewed any courses or joined any course. Most of the reviews that I heard about this course are positive and indicates that it's a great beginner level course to learn artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like. If yes, so don't forget to share, comment, and like the video.